So in today's how-to video, we'll be demonstrating how to upgrade your Windows 10 Home install to Windows 10 Professional for free in 2018. Let's get started. Now, we're not going to use any kind of VM or screen capture for this. We're going to be using real hardware, and we're going to be using the old Dell Optiplex 390 for our test bed. We already have Windows 10 Home installed, and we are activated as well. So let's go right ahead and get the upgrade moving. We're going to close this out, and we're going to open up Edge. Any browser will do. In the search bar, we're going to go ahead and type Windows 7 Pro Product Key. We're going to click on Images, and we're just going to come down here and click on one where we can see all the characters pretty easily. This looks like a good one right here. So now that we have a key picked out, we're going to go ahead and bring up our system window, and we're going to click on Change Product Key. We'll click on Yes. Let's just see if we can make it so we can see this key here. There we go. So we're going to go ahead and type in this product key that we found. And also, as I do this, I just want to say that this is for demonstration purposes, just to show that Windows 7 keys not only can activate Windows 10, but they can also upgrade Windows 10 as well. So we'll finish typing this key in here. So we'll go ahead now and click on Next. And this may take some time, depends on your location. But we'll see how good this key works. And right there we go. It's asking me about starting the upgrade of my Windows edition. And this is a Windows 7 Pro key, and we're going to go ahead and click on Start. Now, this can take some time, so I'll just fast forward through this, and with the magic YouTube, we'll meet back up soon. So I'm not exactly sure how many reboots this will take, but it may take a few. We will just fast forward through these parts and get to the confirmation window. So we're now back at the logon screen, and it says that you're all done and your PC is ready to go. So let's bring up our system window, and there we go. Windows 10 Professional, still activated. And that's how you do it. Upgrading from Windows 10 Home to Windows 10 Pro in 2018 for free. Knowledge is power.